Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Ielts Winner. Hope you all are doing fine and staying safe. So this video is all about the review of 25 September Ielts exam for morning slot, and this is for both academic and general. The academic is for the global students, that is it was same in India as well as foreign countries of 2-3 places. The GT that I am uploading is from Chennai because the student belonged to Chennai. So other areas I do not have much knowledge, but the GT is from Chennai, India. So let's see first for the academic. So in academic, listening was easy. Part 1 was form completion. Part 2 was MCQ and choose the correct letter. Part 3 match information and MCQ. Part 4 was note completion. So overall, it was very easy, little bit fast, but quite easy. For the reading of academic, the first passage was called How Deserts Grow or How Deserts Are Found. Okay, so this is the passage. As you can see, this is the passage. So the questions that came in this was true, false, not given, and match information with the correct paragraph. The question was some fill-ups also, but I could not get those questions, so I'm not uploading it here. But the passage was similar to like this. Okay, and the heading was How Deserts Grow. You can get the PDF of on our Telegram channel or website or WhatsApp groups. If you are, you can ask me, I'll provide it. Okay, the Telegram channel's link will be given in the description box where you can get this PDF. So it was How Desert Grows, and the questions were 14 to 20. It was like where the information, match the information with the paragraph. And then it was true, false, not given. So these are the answers for match the information and true, false, not given for the passage that is heading How the Deserts Grow. Passage 2, I couldn't get the passage, the whole passage, but it was named Australian Parrots. There are similar passages like it came in 2020 in some foreign country, and the passage was now Parrots of Australia. But I was not able to find the passage. Once I get, I'll upload it as sure. But today's passage was Australian Parrots, and the question types were true, false, not given, completion task, that is summary completion, and direct question, that is they directly ask question what and how, like short answers. Passage 3 was called multitasking. You can get many different kinds of passages on multitasking. Exactly what passage came, the student doesn't remember, but he said that these were the question types and this is how he remembers. So based on his descriptions, I have selected the passage, and it was multitasking, based on multitasking. So again, here also it was match the information type of questions. Yes, match the information. The first type of questions were match the information. So you can pause the video and you can check as well the questions and their explanation where they are located in the passage is given. And then it was choose the correct option, that is MCQ type of questions. So match the information in the correct paragraph and then choose the correct options. And then it was yes, no, not given. That is yes, no, not given type of questions you have to locate. So all the questions as well as the answers are given, and where they are located is also provided here for you to check how the answers came. So this is good for practice as well as cross checking. So this was about listening and reading of morning academic. Now the writing task 1. Writing task 1, as we said, was a process diagram. It was a home smokery. How the home smokery design is and how it works, that was the question. This has already come on 7th August evening slot of academic exam, I think. The same question came on 7th August. And the question was how the home smokery works. So you can look at the question and the sample answer, and you can get an idea that how you should write. Writing task 2 came from our predicted list. You already know, many of the students who have bought, they know, and also if you have seen the PDFs, the paid PDF had this question under the topic media and advertising. As you can see, the question was question number 6. Some people say getting news from radio is better, other believe television is better more. Discuss both and give opinion. So same question came. Some say radio is the best way to get news. Others think TV is better for this. Discuss and give opinion. So same question from our predicted September list of essays. The question came from the same PDF. Even the general student who wrote today in Chennai, he got both task 1 and task 2 from the predicted list. So you can check the predicted list for your preparation. If you are writing on 30, you can just buy it and take it. Or if you're writing on in the October month, then we have already uploaded the video, and it consists all 70 essays, the most important essays, task 1 for academic as well as general, along with the common topics ideas. So you can get all the PDF of the predicted question for just 250 rupees. You can contact me on WhatsApp so that you can prepare well and gather your idea just like this. The students who had bought may have benefited a lot because the question came same as it was. So they have practiced, they know how to write it. So this was task 2, discuss or discuss with opinion. This is how we predicted the discuss question will come from media, and this is related to media. So the same topic and same question type come. You can go and check 25th prediction video and cross check whether our prediction has been true or not. So this is the sample answer. So you had to discuss both view 1 and view 2, and then give your opinion, clear opinion in body in your introduction as well as in conclusion. Do not give extra information on that, but give clear opinion in intro and conclusion. No need to go for third body paragraph to just give opinion. This was the whole prediction for morning slot academic exam. Moving on to GT. GT is, again, I'll say GT is from Chennai, India. So the listening was easy for him. Part 1, table completion. Part 2, MCQ. Part 3, MCQ and match information. Part 4, note completion. Same, almost same as the academic. As you can see, he has told what was his question. The question was, writing came, as you can see, writing came from your predicted list. Thank you so much. Okay, listening was easy. Reading from, again, he has bought PDF of reading, academic and general PDF that had 30 passages. So he got all the he got 3 passages from that predicted list. Okay. So totally we have 5 in GT, but he remembers only 3, and he said that all the 3 were from the PDF that we had provided him. He has bought from us. So section 1 was, one passage was called restaurant advertisements. Section 2, one passage was called week's best. And section 3, live in international orchestra. Live in international orchestra. The reading was easy to moderate. Writing task 1, formal letter. Meal at a restaurant with your friends. So the question was, you had a meal with your friends in a restaurant, but you were dissatisfied with the menu or something. So write a complaint letter to the restaurant manager. This was the question. This question was again in our predicted list of September month, the paid predicted list. So the question was same, and he did very well because he had already practiced it. Task 2 again was from the heading crime. In the essay predicted, September predicted list essay, in the heading crime, the question was, some say life imprisonment is good, others say other punishments are better, discuss both and give opinion. So again, it was discuss and give opinion. So is life imprisonment good or other punishments are better? So under the crime heading, the question was there. This was the writing for general. So listening was easy, reading was easy to moderate, writing was easy. These are the reading passages that he remembered. So I searched and I have got it. During section 1, one of the passages was restaurant advertisement. Okay, restaurant advertisement. And the questions were this. Information, okay. Which restaurants are following statement true for? So match the information with the paragraph. Section 2 was week's best. One of the passages was week's best. And the question type was true, false, not which information is correct. True for it. So matching information type of questions only was there. And section 3 was live in international orchestra. This was the passage. And I'll tell you, these two of the general passages are from the website Mini IELTS test. So as I already have recommended in my October predictions, please go through Mini IELTS practice test for both academic and general, because most of the questions, passages are coming from that website. So you can just go through the passages and practice. It will be good for you to know and in hand what passages are there. So the passage name is International Orchestra. The first question type in this one was choose the correct heading. Okay, choose the correct heading. Which heading suits best for which of the paragraphs? And next was MCQs. So headings and MCQs came in section 3. So hope now it is clear what was the level. So level was easy to moderate for reading for both academic and general. In academic, passage 3 was quite difficult, but other two were easy to moderate. Listening for both were easy, writing for both were easy. So this was the complete prediction. You can get the PDF from the description box. Link is given there. And if you want to buy the October month prediction list for essays and task 1 and task 2 for both academic and general, as well as the speaking cue card of latest Makkar book, and also the reading PDF of academic and general, which has 30 each, you can contact me on the WhatsApp number given in the description link. For the evening slot, I'll be uploading as soon as we get it. See you next time. Bye-bye. Take care.